caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Today I would like to talk to you about the Time Machine. A Time Machine on Apple is your backup system, and it's sort of really great. All you need is an external hard drive, and you plug it into the back of your computer, or you can have an AirPort Wi-Fi system. It doesn't really matter, but it's just to back your system up. Put it like this: when you do buy a new Mac, maybe in 5 or 6 years' time, you will want to have the same information. This little gadget will help you. It's this little icon here at the top, if you can see. I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to open Time Machine Preferences. I have an iMac. This is not a laptop. It's not a MacBook Air. So I just have it left in the back all the time. If you have a laptop, I would recommend that you just plug in this external hard drive backup system every 10 days. And that's it. There you see. It runs by itself. You can set it up really easy. It tells you what to do, like most things in Mac. Bam. So you don't lose any data. If your system crashed for whatever reason, it's all there. So this is a real essential part of your Apple experience. Do enjoy, and I will see you for another little secret about Mac, about Apple. Bye for now.